Sir's team, Rota Talks, the organizing team, for shortlisting me as a speaker for today, for this prestigious event that is Veer Gatha 4.0 at Kolkata. I'd like to take this opportunity to express my gratitude to Indian Army for permitting me to be part of this show. As you already know my name, I'm Colonel Mithali Madhumita, a serving soldier of Indian Army. I was born and brought up in Orissa. I did my schooling from Mount Carmel, Rourkela, and my graduation from BJB College. I did my post-graduation from Ravenshaw University. While in school, I actively participated in sports, in mostly track and field events, long jump, high jump, and little. During my graduation, also I couldn't focus much on studies, owing to the reason that I joined NCC Air Wing as a cadet. There I learned how to fly an aircraft. Those days we would fly Ardras and Sedberg T-21Bs. These are glider aircrafts which do not have an engine and are winched by the help of a cable and given some lift. Once we get that lift, 1200 plus meters, we fly there and then land. During this time, I also got to learn aero modeling, that is modeling an aircraft. All through the year, we would spend a lot of time in the workshop in our air wing office, where we would model different styles of aircrafts, so that at the end of the year, when we go to the All India Vayu Sainik Camp, we would be in a position to showcase what we have made. Also, that the entire thing did not end there. We had to fly them. Each of the flying of these aero models had a particular parameter. If we stick to the parameter, we would be able to get something for our contingent, that is the Odisha Directorate and our contingent. During the All India Vayu Sainik Camp, I was very lucky to get an All India Gold Medal for the free flight power division model that my team and myself we had made, and one speed model for which I earned a bronze medal. After this, I was selected to attend the Republic Day camp as an NCC cadet in Delhi. After that, I appeared for the written and the Viva tests to represent India abroad as part of the youth exchange programs that NCC offers and still does. Many of you who are NCC cadets and the ones who aspire to join the NCC can look for this option. Free में India को represent करने का मौका, like many ambassadors from this country to the other country, and bring back best practices there to our country for nation building. As part of Indo-Canada Youth Exchange Program, 10 girl cadets from senior wing. This planning. Planning is divided into two parts. One that you do when you're not in the situation of adversity. For example, संक्षिप्त में बताऊंगी, अगर आप रोड से जा रहे हैं, एक एक्सीडेंट हो गया, अचानक से आप हेल्प करने जा रहे हैं, बट यही चीज अगर आपने अपने ऑफिस में, अपने स्कूल में, अपने घर में बैठ के सोचा होता, इन केस ऑफ एन एक्सीडेंट मैं कैसे, how I can be of aid, how I can help, how I can take the injured to the nearest hospital, or how I can garner support from people around. अगर मैंने ये पहले सोचा होता तो मैं better और faster aid दे पाती. जैसे मैंने अपने लेक्चर में भी कहा, you all are like little weapons ready to fire, but fire आप तभी कर पाएंगे जब ट्रेनिंग पहले आपकी हुई होगी. ट्रेनिंग माइंड से शुरू होती है, ठीक है. सो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एक तो वो है प्लान जो आपने पहले किया, और एक बार जो स्पॉट पे आपने देख लिया, फॉर एग्जांपल एक्सीडेंट हो गया है, तो ऑन द स्पॉट आप क्या प्लान करेंगे कि क्या करना चाहिए इन द सिचुएशन ऑफ एक्सीडेंट. पहले डायल 100 करना चाहिए, या जिसके सर पे चोट लगी है उसको उठा के बिठाना है, पानी पूछना है, सांस देखना है उसका चल रहा है कि नहीं, और अगले को सपोर्ट देके फिर 100 या 101 या पुलिस या एम्बुलेंस या 108 जो भी बुलाना चाह रहे हैं. सो दैट इज वन ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट, दैट इज प्लानिंग. Also put yourself out there. Mentally, if you are ready and you go one step ahead and you stand there, कोई situation of adversity आती है तो आपको वहां से चल के आगे आने की जरूरत नहीं है. वो जो आपने पहले ही लांग लिया है, वो जो स्पेस है आपने पहले ही कवर कर लिया है, वो आपके दिमाग में एक स्टेप आगे हैं आप. तो ऐसी होती है जो फौजी प्लानिंग होती है, इससे थोड़ी डिफरेंट होती है. बट आप लोगों के लिए इस लेवल पे प्लानिंग पहले से, और put yourself out there so you are ready. You can be of some help, you can be of some aid.